All right, welcome to the Hudson Board of Trade. I just wanted to do a quick review of last week's earnings straddles. This again ended on 10/18, and so we bet a bunch of stocks last week to see what the straddles would do. So Citigroup, it was a 70 strike. The straddles were 250. It actually settled 69.74, so it was better to sell the straddle. Goldman Sachs, the strike was 205 straddle. The straddles were $7. It went out at 206.52. It was better to sell the straddle. You made money. Charles Schwab, the strike was 38 for the straddle. The straddle's worth $1.50. It went out 39.94. It was better to buy that straddle. JP Morgan, the strike was $116. The straddles were $325. It went out at $20.56. It was better to buy that straddle. Wells Fargo was trading 49. The straddles worth $1.50. It went out at $49.97. It was better to sell that straddle. American Express was trading 118. It was a $2 straddle. It was a $4 straddle. It went out at $116.76. It was better to sell that straddle. E-Trade was trading $39. It was a $2 straddle. It went out at $40.85. It was better to sell that straddle, not by much. Netflix was trading $2.85, probably the most interesting stock of the week. It got as high as $3.15, I think, and then it settled at $275.30. So by the end of the week, it was better to sell that straddle. But if you know anything about delta hedging, you could have made money buying it too. IBM was trading $142. The straddles were $6.50. It went out at $134.09. It was better to buy that straddle. Johnson & Johnson started the week at $130. It was a $250 straddle. It went out at $127.70. It was better to sell that straddle. CSX was 68.5, $350 straddle. It went out at $68.76. It was much better to sell that straddle. UNP, $160 stock, $675 was a straddle. It went out at 61.5. Much better to sell that straddle. God, we got to be selling the railroads, huh? And Coca-Cola, $53 stock, $1.75 straddle. It went out at $54.78. So it was barely better to buy that straddle. You know, I'm trying to teach regular everyday people how to trade options because I think in the future options trading is going to be part of the gig economy. So the average salary for an options trader on Glassdoor is $90,000. I'm trying to teach you guys how to trade like this. So think of subscribing to my YouTube channel, thumbs up my videos, and please become a member of the HudsonBoardOfTrade.com. We're going to be doing this a lot during earnings week, so hopefully you stay tuned. Thanks.